April of 1973, a company was founded that would one day help science peer to the very edge of the known universe. From humble beginnings, a total commitment to quality has enabled this company to become a world-class, state-of-the-art precision machining and manufacturing facility. The commitment to delivering quality products and exceptional service to our customers is stronger than ever and reflected in the name of the company today, Bosma Total Quality Manufacturing. From concept to finished product, Bosma Total Quality Manufacturing delivers the highest quality products, manufactured to the most exacting specifications, providing a total solution for our customers.
What we mean by total solution is creating innovative engineering and manufacturing processes that are cost-effective for our customers. Depending on customer requirements, we can provide a job complete from design through fabrication, machining, painting, assembly, and test, or any one of these processes for single prototype projects to high-quantity production runs. Partnering is also a very important aspect of the way Bosma does business. We continually strive to develop long-term relationships with our customers.
Using the latest computer-aided design technology, the Bosma design team works with customers from initial concept to finished blueprints. Years of experience and a thorough knowledge of fabrication techniques enable Bosma to design products that are cost-effective and meet the most rigorous standards of precision. The demand for large parts machining has always driven the growth of Bosma.
We offer turnkey solutions to our customers. Our fab shop contains large capacity lifting with a 25-ton overhead crane, 25 feet under the hook. Our machining area contains CNC machining centers, manual and CNC boring mills, and our painting area contains 2 large paint booths, one with a production paint line. Our flexibility allows us to meet any of our customers' needs and requirements.
The heavy machining bay is still the centerpiece of our operations. It features computer-controlled boring mills, capable of machining parts up to 20 feet wide by 10 feet high. Our fabrication and assembly department is a state-of-the-art welding facility with fully certified welders equipped to handle all welding techniques. Here, we've manufactured the ammunition doors for the Abrams M1A2 main battle tank and are presently working on many other assemblies for military systems, as well as machine bases for the special machine and machine tool industry. We also manufacture precision fabrications for the nuclear and hydroelectric energy industries, and hundreds of custom parts for customers all over the world. We also have some unique capabilities that set us apart from other manufacturers.
Our average customer is an extraordinary manufacturer. What that means is that they don't really come to us to do the mundane. One very interesting part is an ultrasonic echocardiograph machine. It's unique in that it allows the patient to literally swallow a transducer and be able to image a three-dimensional solid image of their heart. That program came in here literally because I tripped over a casting in a foundry. Thought, well, this is a very interesting part, and I asked the foundryman, have you got anybody machining this part? He said, no, not yet. Would you like to take a look at it? So we brought it back here and took a look at it. And then he called up and said, by the way, do you have any paint shops in the local area that may be able to take on the painting? And I said, why, we have a paint shop. So we took on painting this project as well. As it turns out, 50% of the value we add to that particular project is in painting and finishing, and that includes the body work, the sanding, the fine finishing, and the texturing to an instrument finish. And this company, being a world-class customer, has very close standards on the types of finishes they require. The submillimeter array is a joint project between the Harvard-Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory and AIAA out of Taiwan. The submillimeter array is in search of objects that are unable to be imaged due to the glare of light. For instance, Earth-sized planets around stars outside of our own solar system, and in fact, possibly even outside of our own galaxy. From a cost-effectiveness point of view, there's nobody that's just purely machining any kind of metal to these tolerances as a ratio of their size. It was my initial invention, but it was executed by the company. In fact, we built the machine entirely here using our fabricators, our machinists, our assemblers, our engineers. My responsibility was basically dreaming it up. If the machine doesn't exist, we'll invent it and build it.
Bosma has grown rapidly since its founding in 1973. But one thing has remained constant: a commitment to serving our customers with quality products and continuous improvement in all aspects of our business. We are also committed to our employees' safety and well-being. As a new employee, we urge you to make safety your top priority and help ensure a safe working environment for everyone. As a Bosma employee, you are entitled to many benefits provided by the company. Most of these benefits will be in effect after your 90-day probationary period, while in some cases the time requirement may be 6 or 12 months. If you have any questions concerning company benefits, the Human Resources Department will be glad to answer them for you. Now, let's look at a listing of company benefits. Details concerning all benefits can be found in your company handbook. The Bosma Employee Benefit Plan includes a hospital plan with a retail and mail-order drug plan, a medical reimbursement fund, the Guardian Dental Plan, which includes orthodontic care, the Eye Care Plan of America, which covers glasses and contacts, the Health Watch Wellness Service, and an employee assistance program, Optimum Care 24, which includes 24-hour nurse assistance, as well as legal and financial assistance. Insurance benefits include employee life insurance and accidental death and dismemberment insurance. A related benefit, the Section 125B program, allows you to purchase additional insurance for life, disability, accident, cancer, and intensive care coverage, and have it deducted from your paycheck, most of it before taxes. Pay and holiday benefits include disability pay, a night shift premium, 7 paid holidays, and 2 floating holidays. The vacation pay schedule is 1 week after the first year of service, 2 weeks the second year, 11 days after 6 years, 12 days after 7, 13 days after 8, 14 days after 9, 3 weeks after 10 years service, and 4 weeks after 15 years of employment. Automatic payroll deposit to your checking or savings account is available, as well as a tool deduction. The company also offers gain sharing and a 401k profit sharing plan. Company incentives and awards include a new employee recruitment incentive, a no smoking incentive, which reduces your hospitalization premium, 5-year and 10-year recognition awards, and various attendance awards, which are listed in your employee handbook. Additional benefits include company-supplied uniforms, a prescription lens safety glasses benefit, enrollment in the NCR Universal Credit Plan, Better Business Bureau services, and reimbursement for college and training expenses. Bosma is a growth company, and our future is very promising, with multi-year partnerships to manufacture various products for the global equipment market. Our mission is to provide the equipment manufacturing industry with high-quality, value-added, welded, machined, coated, and assembled large components through long-term partnerships. Our team members achieve this with focus on the most creative and lowest-cost solutions by commitment to integrity to customers and suppliers, continuous training and development, exceed customers' expectations, develop and utilize new technology, consistent long-term growth, a strong financial position, a fair return to our stakeholders, a safe workplace and healthy environment, and support to our community.
Our company was really founded and based on solid family values. And as we approached our growth, we decided that we would take our personal beliefs into the business as well. Our Christian values and our biblical principles are used to run this business. And I feel that strong foundation is what made us really very successful.
From humble beginnings, Bosma has become a leader in the machining and manufacturing industry. As the 21st century approaches, we remain dedicated to providing the finest precision machining and fabrication services and to fulfilling the promise of our name. At Bosma Total Quality Manufacturing, our employees are our most important asset. We hope your career with us will be enjoyable and rewarding. Welcome to the Bosma team.